In this video, I'm going to go through the solution to question 27 from the 2025 Australian Math Competition Intermediate paper. Madeline thinks of four whole numbers. She writes down all six possible sums of two of the numbers on a piece of paper. Sebastian can read the numbers 71, 89, 77, 80, and 59 on this piece of paper, but cannot read the sixth sum. What is the sixth sum that Madeline wrote? So, Madeline thinks of four whole numbers. So I'm just going to let these be A, B, C, and D. Okay. Then what are the six possible sums? Well, it's six possible sums of two of those. So A plus B is going to be one of them. A plus C is going to be one of them. A plus D is going to be one of them. We also have B plus C, B plus D, and C plus D, right? These are the six possible sums. And we know that they are 71, 89, 77, 80, 59, and something else that we don't know, right? These are our six possible sums. Now, why have I written these sums in this sort of configuration here? Just do you realize that if I add these together, I get A plus B plus C plus D? No surprise there, right? If I add these two together, I also get A plus B plus C plus D. I'm just rearranging the order of these whole numbers inside. But what you can see is that I've taken these six sums and I've actually split it into three pairs, right? Such that each of these pairs, the numbers sum to A plus B plus C plus D. Okay. So, what can we say now? There are six possible sums, and we can split it into three pairs, each with sum A plus B plus C plus D. And we know five of the six numbers. So we can guarantee that at least two of the sums, at least two pairs of sums are made out of numbers that we know. So, out of these five numbers that we already know, we can say that four of these five numbers, right? Four of these five numbers form two of the pairs. And the one that doesn't form the pair, it forms a pair with the question mark that we haven't worked out yet. But because each pair sum to A plus B plus C plus D, these two pairs has to sum to A plus B plus C plus D times 2. So four of these five numbers have a sum of 2 times A plus B plus C plus D. What do you notice? This thing is even, right? Because it's 2 times something. So four of these five numbers have an even sum. What do we notice? 71, 89, 77, 59. We have four odd numbers and one even number. If 80 is in among these four numbers, we would be adding together 80, which is an even number, and three other odd numbers. Even plus odd plus odd plus odd, that gives us an odd number. So that doesn't work, which means we cannot include 80 in that sum. So in fact, we have to take the four odd numbers in this group. This is the only way where we can make an even sum from four of the five numbers. So let's take a look. We have to take these numbers. Let's add them together. 71 plus 89 is 160 plus 77, 237 plus 59, 296. That's the sum of the four numbers. And that is equal to what? 2 times a plus b plus c plus d. I can divide by 2. I get a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 148. So that means these three pairs each have a sum of 148. Now, 71 has to be somewhere in one of those pairs. Maybe it's here. I don't know. But what do I need to add to 71 to give me 148? That's 77. Okay, that's among our four numbers chosen there. And the other pair, 89 plus 59, is also equal to 148. There we go. And the only number that we haven't used is 80. Right? And this question mark has to be paired with 80. And their sum is also a plus b plus c plus d, which is 148. So that means we can work out this sixth sum that Madeline wrote has to be 148 minus 80. And the answer is 68. And we are done.